Hello everyone, Hashim Ashraf here from the Curated Home. Let's discuss and review one project today, which is coming up in Orangeville. It's already launched. Uh, Orangeville is a small town, like very close to Brampton, and they have all the facilities and a very good project launched by one of the oldest builder in Ontario. And the name of the project is called Five Creek Estates, Orangeville. So they have great products. I will walk you through all the homes, what they have, and there are a few uh, very interesting floor plans. We will discuss even that in detail. So it's a combination of detached and also semi-detached. It's a master plan community. You can see the rendering, and you can see the pathways and roads, and there's a very good water body in between the projects. It's a great location. There are a lot of things to do in Orangeville. As we go through the slides, you will understand. This is actually the site. So it's in Hanson Boulevard and Blind Line. So advantage is like it's like just 3 minutes drive to Metro, 3 minutes to Canadian Tire, 4 minutes to Walmart Superstore, 5 minutes to Home Depot, 8 minutes to downtown Orangeville. So just imagine like just living just out of the main hustle and bustle of the inside GTA and just going to the just a border of Brampton and Orangeville, and you have everything whatever you can get in any place in Canada. And also they have a very good schools, just 1 minute drive to elementary school and also a Catholic school, 2 minute drive to another elementary Catholic school, and 5 minute drive to Orangeville District Secondary School. So they have four schools just in 1 to 2 to 5 minutes. And just 10 minutes away, they have Allen Lake Conservation Area. It's a huge conservation area. We'll talk about it later. So these are the few homes. They have 40. I'll just go through some of the elevations here. And in order to get the floor plans and also to discuss about the pricing, you need to contact me. All my numbers and details and everything will be given in the description. My number is 289-772-6202. You can call me anytime to discuss about this project so that I'll be able to help you. So just go through the few elevations. Then in the end, we will discuss about two or three very important floor plans, which is very good for investors as well as a bigger family. So this is 40 uh, like floor plans. This is another model called Springbrook, the 40 detached. The model called Haley, around 2,700 square foot, a two-car garage. This is three-bedroom plus loft. So normally we don't get much in 2,000 square feet brand new homes. Like obviously there are older homes, but brand new homes. A lot of seniors who wants to sell their bigger home and want to downsize into a bungalow loft. Very good option. And as a city also supports it, a very calm living from out of the city hustle and bustle. So this detached bungalow loft, 45 foot. So this is Ridgewood, two-car garage, and double car parking, 3,100 mm, 3,100 square foot. The Morrow is again 3,000 square foot double car garage. Again another 45 Bennett, 3,500 square foot with the two double car garage and beautiful elevations. This is 3,250 with a lot of windows and a lot of space, very good elevations. This is another model called Clifftop, 3,000 square foot. This is again a detached bungalow loft in 45 called Victoria. It's a bigger size bungalow loft. The different elevations, again bungalow loft. Then we have some semis. Semis are around 1,800 square foot, different models. You can see some models of semis. So these are all semi-detached homes. Around this is around 1,500 called Dragonfly, which will be much cheaper. Okay. Obviously, we have more semis. So just get in touch with me. You can give me a call at 289-772-6202, and all my details, my email and contact details will be in the description. So this is the site plan. It's already the approved site plan from the city. There's a water body here. These are all conservation area, a lot of greenery. These are all developed place. This is Blind Line, Hanson Boulevard here. So uh, very good pathway for for children to cycling and for a walk. It's going to be a very good master plan community here in Orangeville. So some of the rendering, uh, I included a few slides for rendering how the finishes looks like. Obviously, this builder builds a great finishes, completely wooden finished staircases, a lot of lights. So this is very important. So let's discuss about this plan. So if you want an optional main floor guest suite with ensuite, so they'll be able to provide. So uh, we all know that when we buy detached, most of the bedrooms are at the top. So if somebody we have an elderly parent, they cannot climb the stairs, and they want to live in ground level, it's going to be very hard in all the traditional homes, mostly like that. So here we can do an optional main floor guest suite with the ensuite, a complete setup here. Okay. So next one, if you want to have a optional finished basement, we can do the completely finished basement. You can see here the rendering, a complete finished basement. We can see, we can do here. There's a wet bar here and additional bedroom and bathroom space, completely finished. So, and also the bungalow loft. So if you want to finish the bungalow loft, that's also possible. So you can see here some of the rendering which is given here. So we can do that. And there are a lot of backyard private spaces for your party, barbecue, and all those things, and family gatherings. And all the homes are 20% more energy efficient. So obviously, when the energy efficient homes will help you to get good rates even in the mortgage, and also sometimes a lengthier amortization, and your monthly expenses will be reduced because of this energy efficient homes. And these are some of the the schools, retails, restaurants, parks, trails, and entertainment just in and around the Five Creeks Orangeville. It's just 27 minutes to Brampton, 42 minutes to Vaughan, 47 minutes to Mississauga. But when we travel really from Brampton, from anywhere, it's just one straight line. You just go on Ontario, we just go and land in Orangeville. It's easy drive. Obviously, uh, a town which has got a historical charm, a lot of parks, a lot of outdoor activities, nature, and you can see here they have got a lot of activities we can do in terms of nature. This island lake conservation area is 820-acre lake of lake wetland and forest, headwater of Credit River, and monocliff 732 hectares of Bruce Trail. So there are a lot of things to do if you like outdoor activities and exploring the nature. This is a slide of Island Lake Conservation Area, a great location if you want to visit even this summer. It's going to be a great place. So let me know. This is my number. You can call me at 289-772-6202, or you can email me at hashestates@gmail.com. This is my app. You can download this app. There will be a link in the description to download the app. If you download the app, you will get all the information about your home search and There are a lot of, it's a very advanced app for the home search in Ontario. You feel free to download that app. Thank you so much for watching.